Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a splash transition effect on Higgsfield AI. And if you don't know what a splash transition effect is, this is what it means, where water comes from behind and then the person is transformed into a different scenery, or a just is really good. So what you have to do is just to go to higgsfield.ai to create this uh, effect. Sign in or create an account, then click on visual effects, then click on splash transition. On the splash transition area, just go on and click on generate, or click on any of these to recreate this particular effect. So once you're here, since it's a transition, you will be required to submit or upload two images. Now the first one will be the first frame and the second one will be the end frame for after the transition. Then describe your prompt, and you can also, you can always describe it plainly or ask ChatGPT to give you a very detailed prompt. In fact, it's, if possible, make it very detailed. Then select your model here, and then select your duration, and also select your resolution in this area. Hit generate and wait for your video to be rendered for you. It takes about 15 to 10 to 15 minutes for your video to be rendered. This is because I'm using the free account. If for others, you may find it significantly shorter, especially if you are using a paid account. I mean, that's actually the best. So once your video is rendered, you can click on this icon to download it to your device, and that's it, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and please subscribe.